Hello everybody and welcome back to Be Pharmawise. In this quick video, we are going to discuss about fractional precipitation. Now you must have heard the terms like fractional crystallization or fractional distillation. So let's uncover what is fractional precipitation. It is a precipitation process which happens if there is more than one ion present which can be precipitated. Let us take an example. I am having AgNO3 means silver nitrate as my precipitating reagent, and this reagent is going into a solution which contains two halide ions like chloride ions and iodide ions. Now they must be of approximately equal quantities, concentrations, then only fractional precipitation will work. If one of the ion is present in so much excess and one is very little, then this process won't be applicable. So when silver nitrate, the precipitating reagent, goes into the solution containing more than one ion, it will definitely start to precipitate the salt whose KSP value, the solubility product value, is small, because that will be exceeded first. So first let us see which salts are going to be formed. So AgNO3 will yield Ag plus as my precipitating ion, and it will form AgCl means silver chloride PPT with chloride ions, and AgI silver iodide PPT with iodide ions. Now let us look at the KSP values for both of them. KSP for AgCl is around 1.2 into 10 raised to minus 10, and KSP for AgI is somewhere around 1.7 into 10 raised to minus 16. So as you can see, this value is smaller than this. So now what is the rule for precipitation? As soon as the solubility product gets exceeded, the precipitation starts. So when the ionic product reaches this value, the precipitation of AgI will start, and then it will continue till the ionic product does not exceed this value. So precipitation of AgI will start first, then it will continue for some time until this value is reached. Here I'll write 1.2 into 10 raised to minus 10. Here I will write 1.7 into 10 raised to minus 16. And then as this value gets exceeded, now AgCl also starts to precipitate. But simultaneously AgI is also getting precipitated. So as soon as the first solubility product of the salt, one of the salt, gets exceeded, that salt starts to precipitate till the solubility product reaches the value of other salt, and then both the salts precipitate simultaneously till the equilibrium is established between all of these ions. So this is a basic concept of fractional precipitation. I hope it helps you. It's just a small bite of the series of precipitation titrations we are currently into, and if you wish to view the series, I will link it down in the description box, where we are discussing the precipitation titration in detail. So keep watching Be Pharmawise. I will see you in the next video. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.